How to register for your GoCard California. Hey everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you sign up for a GoCard California account. You typically need to follow these steps. First of all, you have to go to the GoCard California website, open a web browser on your computer or a mobile device, and go to the official website of the GoCard California. Look at the registration section. Simply look for the section on your website that allows you to register for a new account. This is usually found in the sign up or the register section, which may be located on the home page or in the navigation menu. Fill out the registration form. In the registration section, you will typically find a form that asks for your personal information, which may include your name, email address, phone number, mailing address, and other details. Create a username and password. Choose a username and password for your GoCard California account. Make sure to follow any password requirements specified by the website, such as minimum length or special character requirements. After submitting the registration form, you may need to verify your email address. This typically involves clicking on a verification link sent to the email address you provided during the registration. Depending on the registration process, you may need to complete the additional steps to finalize your account setup. This could include agreeing to the terms and conditions, setting up security questions, or providing additional information. Once your registration is completed, you should be able to log into your GoCard California account using the username and the password you created during the registration. You may then be directed to your account dashboard or prompted to complete any remaining setup steps. If you encounter any issues during the registration process or have any questions about creating a GoCard California account, you can usually find the assistance by contacting their customer support or referring to their website help section or FAQ page. So if you found this video to be useful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.